Welcome back. Well, let's talk about Jayland Walker. He was shot by Akron police 46 times, something we've been following for a long time, following a chase. Jurors ruled that the officers were justified in their use of deadly force, particularly after an Ohio BCI probe found that Walker shot his gun at law enforcement first. Although it's important to note he was not armed when he was shot. Dr. Dan Flannery with Case Western Reserve University School of Applied Social Sciences and director of the Begun Center for Violence Prevention Research is here. Welcome. Thank you so much for being here. So let's talk about what happened with the grand jury. It took prosecutors more than a week to present this evidence. In your opinion, is it common for a grand jury to see so much? Because a lot came out.
It was important that the grand jury take their time to review the volume of information that was gathered, and it suggests to me that there was a very thorough investigation with lots of information gathered in order to come to a conclusion. Some cases take an hour or less to review, so it's indicative of the due diligence that was done in the investigation and the commitment that the grand jury made to review the material very thoroughly.
Now, yesterday we heard from Attorney General Dave Yost, who is saying that the state is not going to file criminal charges against these 8 officers. However, the attorney for Walker's family is saying that he plans to file a civil suit in the coming days between June 1st and June 15th. How do you see this panning out? I mean, what's next? More could come.
Well, we could certainly learn more about what evidence is available, and a civil suit is their right to pursue, and it might reveal certain actions that were taken that violated civil rights or other circumstances. It's also, I think, appropriate and good news that the division itself is going to undertake further investigation of their own policies and protocols and procedures to see if any of those were violated. If nothing else, you want to learn from this incident and if necessary, make changes to training and policies within the division.
You know, we were talking before the interview about the question of why. And many people are asking, you know, why did these officers fire so many shots?
Look, officers are responding sometimes to life-threatening situations that require split-second decisions that occur in the moment. And when they're under a circumstance where they believe shots have been fired, people are in danger. Sometimes persons sort of force the issue. They take actions that force responding officers to do things that they may not have expected to do or wanted to do. So when the adrenaline is going, when you're making split-second decisions and multiple individuals are making the same decision at the same point in time, firing their weapon, I can see how that many rounds were dispersed in such a short period of time.
Dr. Dan Flannery, we appreciate you. Thank you so much for being here and for breaking that all down for us.
Thank you.